Hi everyone, my name is Lokisha. I am studying in first standard. My school name is St. Philomena High School in Chandrapura branch.
Now GK concept. 30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka. Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajnagara, Chikkaballapura, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hassan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Korabur, Kola, Koppla, Mandya, Mysuru, Ramanagara, Raisuru, Shimamogga, Tumkuru, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Yadgiri.
States and capital.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Andhra Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Disbur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Pandaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Imphal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Mumbai; Nagaland, Odisha; Nagaland, Kodima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Dhaka; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttarakhand, Dehradun; West Bengal, Kolkata.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Veriya, Tamilabharani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Jnanapith Award winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapith Award winners from Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh: Kuvenpu, Dharavendra, Shivaram Karam, Marki Venkateswara Shekhar, G.K. Gokar, Yunan Anantamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhara Kambara.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India: Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu; Kathakali, Kerala; Kathak, Uttar Pradesh; Manipuri, Manipur; Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh; Odissi, Odisha; Chatriya, Assam; Markidar, Madhya Pradesh; Gadiya, Gujarat; Yashagana, Karnataka.
National festival.
National festival: January 26, Republic Day; August 15, Independence Day; September 5, Teachers Day; October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti; November 14, Children's Day.
October 2nd what?
October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India: Bhubaneswar Statue in Karnataka; Taj Mahal in Agra; Hampi Temple in Karnataka; Somerset Temple in Odisha; Nalanda University in Bihar; Golda Temple in Punjab.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha. Nasimha, Ravana, Mashirama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki. 7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world:
Five oceans of the world: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujaratnanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, J.H. Patil. Inder Kumar Gujral, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi. Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka:
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Indian festival:
Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Christmas Eve, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
What?
Good Friday.
7 colors in rainbow:
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages of India:
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Duru, Dogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu. Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Indian monuments:
Agra Fort, Ajanta Caves, Charminar, Gate of India, Golden Temple, Gol Gumbaz, Hampi Temple, Iron Pillar, Jama Masjid, Khajuraho Temple, Lake Palace, Mysore Palace, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Taj Mahal. Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu. Indulamas: Chaitra, Vaishaka, Desha, Ashara, Shravana, Madhupara, Ashvida, Kartika, Magashira, Pusha, Magha, Falguna. Mega cities in India: Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Kings of Karnataka:
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Krishnavardhana, Mayuravarma, Amoga Varsha, Madakali Nayaka, Kitturani Chennamma, Akka Bukka, Jaya Chamaraja Vadeya, Pempen Gowda. Proverbs: working worship, honors is the best policy. Where there is a way. Order litan is not gold. Pace is the index of mind. Error is store. Gyanas no mas. An idle mind. Easy daily worship. Easy no shortcut. 2 hours. 2 hour day. Old is gold. Action speed. Love the lambo. A journey of 1,000 men. Biggie with a single step.
National symbol: Father of the nation:
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem:
Jana Gana Mana.
National song:
Vande Mataram.
National flower:
Lotus.
National animal:
Tiger.
National sea animal:
Dolphin.
National word.
peacock,
National fruit.
mango,
National language.
Hindi,
National book.
Bhagavad Gita,
National game.
hockey,
National tree.
banyan tree,
National river.
Ganga,
Antonyms. Sit.
stand,
Come.
go,
In.
out,
Hot.
close,
Hot. Hot.
cold,
Up.
down,
Happy. Happy.
yes,
Happy.
sad,
Good.
bad,
Big.
small,
Yes.
no,
New.
good,
On.
up,
Over.
under,
Give. Give.
give, take,
Morning.
uni,
Day. Day.
day,
What?
9 hours.